Vande Mataram. Esteemed parents and my dear students, wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I extend my good wishes to all the parents and my dear students on 72nd Republic Day. Today we are celebrating our Republic Day, and we should not forget to salute the great freedom fighters who had sacrificed their life for making independent India. We should be grateful to the unsung heroes and the founding fathers who had drafted the Constitution of India and executed on 26 January 1950. Children, we are very lucky that we are being born in independent India. We should feel proud that we are the citizen of the great nation. Today, we have just unfurled our flag. I would like to share with my students that under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the person named Pingali Venkaya had designed this tricolor flag. This person was from Tamil Nadu, and he had chosen saffron, white and green color, which symbolizes that we stand united to make our country developed. Children, there are 24 spikes in the center of white color, which has been taken from Ashoka Chakra, and which symbolizes the desire of becoming self-reliant. That is, the desire of becoming Atmanirbhar. At this juncture, I would like to share with my students that our country is going through so many social evils, but still we should feel proud that our country is marching towards the road of development. Children, learn from the tricolor flag that if we stand united, definitely one day our nation will be fully developed. Taking the true spirit again, and nothing is impossible if we stand united. And if you set your goal, definitely one day you will able to fulfill your dreams, and you can make your country proud when you stand united to make a stronger nation in future. Jai Hind. Thank you.